Hello guys, mga ka-showmates. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Don Bell Officials Black Screening first day. So, we're happy to serve. Wow. SMC. Mali. Gateway pala to. Ayan. Nandito yung ticket na binigay sa amin, included ito dito sa Wolfgang because napakasosyal ng Don Bell Official. Shout out to you guys because we're invited dito sa Wolfgang and super ganda na experience, right? May food, ang sarap ng food, and of course may pakopa and all. And yung may mga chocolate and stuff
Yes.
because it's a road trip, right? Ito na nga. Without any further ado, kasi gusto ko syempre namnamin yung pelikula and all, pero yung this woman besides me, talagang two times na niya napanood. Shout out to her. Siyempre, we have Ika.
Hey guys!
Ayan, mga hey fam natin.
Hey
Ayan,
fam.
siya yung hey fam natin sa TikTok. So yeah, ito na nga, interviewin kita. Ako na.
Oh,
So,
tayo.
ito na, tayo
Okay.
sa wakas. Ano yung initial reaction mo after watching Don Bell's latest film?
Well, for me talaga, nagulat ako. Well, alam ko naman magiging maganda siya. And it's gonna be a mature film. But then I didn't expect that they went beyond the expectations I have. So from start to finish, it was really good. And their acting performance is the best so far. And I didn't feel it was acting. I felt it was real.
Yeah, kasi somehow talaga yung kwento, it's very relatable. Lalo na sa mga magjowa out there, sa mga may ex na about relationship. Kasi lahat naman tayo nagmahal, di ba? Lahat naman tayo nagmamahal at may minamahal ngayon. And lalo na, kung nakarelate kayo kay Cisco and Cheska, kasi ako, somehow, nakarelate talaga ako kay Cisco because of sa kanyang point of view, sa kanyang pananaw. At I know it's bad. I know may pagka red, tama ba tayo? Red
Red
flag.
flag.
Yeah, red flag kasi parang somehow nagko-compete sila nung character ni Belle, which is si Cheska. And somehow kasi same sila ng industry, right? So baka makaka-spoil na tayo ng ano, pero it somehow goes beyond yung relationship kasi nila, nagiging competition na rin in a
Yes,
way.
competition.
So, ngayon, nakarelate ka ba sa character ni Cheska or Cisco? Siyempre, alam ko naman nagmahal ka rin.
Ako kasi hindi pa ako nagkaroon ng relationship. But then,
Really? Wow, talaga
wala.
nag-Tony Talks ka na naman.
Yes. Na yun, pero I'm just saying na makaka-relate ako kay Cheska. Kasi, for me, mataas yung tingin ko sa sarili ko. Hindi naman sa mayabang ako, but
Mm-hmm.
I also know my worth. And if I would love someone, I would want that person to be happy kapag successful ako. And yung nakita ko kasi is, yes, 101% yung binigay ni Cheska. But then at the same time, kung ako yun I just feel like relatable siya. Nakarelate ako kay Cheska, pero hindi rin ganun yung gagawin ko.
Iba yung gagawin mong atake.
Yes.
Okay, tapos na tayo sa kung relatable ba yung film. It's definitely yes. Kung nagmahal ka man, hindi ka pa nagmahal and all. Because it's all about love eh. Talks about life. Types of love. Ito naman, kamusta naman ang overall film, storytelling ng pelikula? Doon muna tayo sa
Ayan.
story. Yeah, I mean yung paano
Mas
pagkakagawa.
madali siya. Mas madali to as a multimedia designer and artist kaysa sa mga love questions. Yun ang mas mahirap para sa
Actually.
ito. Okay, storytelling wise, it was good. It's the first time I saw a film na may pagka-road trip vibe. I mean, in hindi ako sure kung marami nang gumagawa, but ngayon lang ako nakaread ng break up.
For you, na ang dami mo na napanood ng
Oo,
mga movies about
yung, hindi,
romance.
break up road trip.
Mhm.
First time ko siyang narinig. I'm not sure if it's a thing or it's just here in the film.
Yung pagkakaaya,
Oo.
kung anong type
Tapos
ng
marami siyang flashbacks. Yeah, flashback is a mainstream thing. Pero the breakup road trip is something new to me. And the way the story was told, it was very seamless. It was good. And yun, storytelling muna. So, para sa akin, ang ganda niya, hindi ka mabobore. Kasi you know that there's something more to come.
Yeah, speaking of road trip, yun na nga. Parang road trip when you watch the film, the experience, kahit na wala ka kahit nanonood ka lang, it feels like you're in there. 'Di ba? It feels like parang nandun ka rin. Nafe-feel mo yung na-experience nila dun sa eksena. And that's really, parang iba, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Sa mga napapanood natin sa mga recent films this yung mga, di ba? And storytelling, sabi ko, yeah, I agree about what you said. Kasi parang, wow, I think, yun na nga, parang, napaka-perfect talaga nung pagkakagawa for Don Bell film. Kasi alam naman natin, kilig-kilig talaga yung Don Bell.
Yeah.
Rom-com, typical rom-com na doon naman talaga natin sila minahal. Pero this is another level, di ba?
Right.
So the storytelling is very fit for them. Ito naman, tapos na tayo sa storytelling. How about yung cinematography, musical score, the OST? Kasi we all know na merong OST. I mean, kamusta yung pagkakalapat ng mga OST sa mga eksena?
In terms of cinematography, it's really a film, not just a simple movie. So when you're watching, it's aesthetically pretty.
Really, yeah.
And mas maengganyo ka syempre manood kasi it looks good. I mean, yung leads, magaganda at gwapo na rin. Tapos ang ganda
Face
pa
card,
ng,
diba?
face
Face
card
card.
na. Plus, ang ganda ng look ng film. Not just the shots, but how it's color graded. Feeling ko pati yung color grading, may times na bright siya, tapos may times na gloomy. Depende talaga kung ano yung emotion or scene. And in terms of the scoring,
Yeah.
parang may times na masakit talaga siya dahil sa score.
May
Diba?
iyak ka, di ba?
Oo.
Sumasama yung luha mo sa eksena and sa
Yes.
maririnig mong OST.
So yun, it tells a story also, yung songs na ginamit. So, perfect siya, yung mga pinili.
Yeah, and also, yun na nga, cinematography, ang galing talaga, parang hindi minadali.
Yeah.
Talagang, sabi nga talaga nila, this is parang last film for now ng Don Bell. And talagang pinagkaabalahan talaga nila, hindi yung parang, ang gaganda nung, parang, kung ano yung eksena dito, same na same yung mood, kung ganito ha, masaya, same yung mood, parang, it's very talaga, di ba? It goes to show na, yung mga eksena talaga is very fit dun sa mga cinema, sa color grading and all. And of course yung OST, we watch out for the hanggang. Kasi yung, I know this is parang pa-end na, pero doon talaga tumulo yung luha ko. It really felt bad. Talagang na-feel ko yung emotion ng yung song and of course the eksena. Tamang-tama talaga.
Yeah.
Diba?
Parang siyang music video.
Yeah, and of course yung iba, yung ayoko nang sabihin. Ang ganda rin
Wala
ng dulo
spoilers,
din.
no spoilers.
Ang ganda rin ng dulo din. Ayan. So, kamusta naman ang yung lead stars and of course yung mga supporting cast? Kamusta yung atake nila?
Well, sa leads, nasabi na natin, talagang this is by far the best performance they had. And it's just sad na for now, it's gonna be their last. Kasi feeling ko, kung susundan pa nila to agad, parang mas may power. I don't know. Pero if in case, it's a long period of time, feeling ko din mas maiengganyo yung mga tao manood. But their performance right now, I would say, ang galing. Sobra yung growth na nakita ko kasi from He's Into Her, napapanood ko na sila. Yun. And watching their series and their movies, ang ganda tingnan nito kasi aside from you just feeling the movie itself, you'd feel Don Bell's growth as well and Don Bell's journey. So ayun. And then the supporting cast, lahat
Yeah.
sila ang
I wanna
gagaling.
know your thoughts about them.
Ako, I would want to see, honestly, Emilio and River really thrive. Kasi I know they have their projects, but I hope they go big and they get recognized more. Tapos, sorry guys, pero I watched this guy na rin eh. Parang sa Love at First Spike, doon ko siya unang nagustuhan. Kasama din siya ni na Emilio.
Sa group na ba?
Oo. Gustong-gusto ko siya umarte kasi ang light. Tapos, it's also hard to pull off kasi yung nagpapatawa ka, pero natural pa din in terms of acting. Pero sa
Yeah.
kanya, every time napapanood ko siya, sobrang tuwang-tuwa ako and it feels just so natural. Parang hindi siya nag-e-effort. And I hope magkaroon pa rin siya ng more projects. At kumakanta siya eh, may mga songs siya na release. Kaya I'm looking forward to more. Please comment down below sa kanyang page yung name niya. Galing mo.
Yeah, I agree. Ayun na nga, no? Parang nasabi mo na lahat. Kasi, kasi I agree with what you said. Kasi, yun na nga, I've seen their growth yung Don Bell. Grabe yung intense scenes nila dun sa, pwede naman natin sabihin na yung awayan. Because alam naman natin kapag romance film, romance drama, may mga awayan naman.
Confrontation.
Grabe yung confrontational nila. Ang lala. Ang lala talaga. Yeah, kasi kinalibutan ako. Kasi ang galing, on point lahat. Eh parang one take lang yun eh. Kasi sinusundan lang sinusundan lang sila ng cameraman. That's really good. Good eksena. Scene. It's really good. Yeah. I love that.
May add lang ako. Doon sa Can't Buy Me Love, marami din ganong scene si Belle. Pero dito,
Sumasabay.
iba siya talaga. Iba yung atake ng confrontation or yung galit na pinakita niya sa atin dito. Parang pigil siya, pero feel na feel mo.
I love talaga. Yeah, yun na nga, to be honest, hindi rin talaga ako nakakapanood halos ng mga Don Bell projects. Pero ito, my God, wow. Iba talaga sila. Like, may ibubugat talaga sila. And of course, Donnie Pangilinan. Hindi lang siya good looks. Hindi lang siya
Yeah.
mati ni idol. He can act.
Yes.
In drama scenes niya, grabe ang lala. Puro alala, no? Word of the day, ang lala. Kasi grabe yung actingan ni Donnie talaga dito. I'm amazed. Na-amazed talaga ako. And tama ba yung word? Shocked with what yung performance nila dito. Capable of. Wow. Grabe talagang intense na talaga. Hindi na lang sila pang rom-com. Yeah. Yun. And of course, supporting cast. Perfect. Kasi parang same yung mga yung dynamics nila, yung mga kung ano yung bubugan nila lahat. Meron silang napapatunayan, of course, River na did a really well job here. Kasi 'di ba naman natin very ano pa lang siya eh, yung mga small roles lang siya sa ibang mga projects. Pero ito, wow. Talagang I think meron tayong aabang kay River anytime soon, 'di ba? And of
Yeah.
course Emilio as well. Talagang siguro sila yung parang next na i-build up ng Star Cinema.
Yes.
I think so. And of course, Joe Ross Gamboa, kapag Star
Galing.
Cinema naman, at kapag direct Kati, parang lagi naman kasama siya. And umaatake din talaga sa mga nanlalamon. Of course, yung mga eksena din ng lahat ng mga supporting. I really love the characters. It really fit to their roles and it was magical. Ito naman, next. Ano yung parang best scene or highlight dun sa film without any giving spoiler? Kumbaga, sabi mo lang kung ano yung location or saan sila. Para ma-excite yung mga fans.
Highlight scene would be at the crossroads ba tawag doon?
English? My God, hindi ko alam
Hindi,
Tagalog ng
basta nung
crossroad.
nasa kalsada na sila, tapos nagbabatuhan na sila ng linya. I think that was the highlight for me.
Yung ba yung...
Yun na yun. But aside from that, parang dalawa kasi, basta mayroong isa din, confrontation, hindi siya confrontation scene, pero awayan scene. Tapos, ang natural lang kasi, nung shot na yun, basta parang ang daming nangyayari. Ganun talaga mag-away, yung hindi lang nakatayo. Parang
Ang daming
pag ayaw
nangyayari.
mo nang makinig dun sa tao, iba-iba yung ginagawa mo. Tapos, sasalita ka na lang ng nagsasalita. So, ang galing nun.
Ako naman, gusto ko rin yung... Actually, I agree din. Dito nasa restaurant sila, tapos palakad sila. Yeah, yun. Basta sa restaurant. Tapos, ang bilis ng shifting eh. Ang bilis ng shifting ng eksena tsaka emotions nila. Lalo na si Donnie doon. So, yeah. Yun, abangan nyo yun. Same tayo ng abangan. Ayan. Ito naman, for our last question, meron ka ba yung parang, ay sana ganito yung ginawa nila? Or yung parang somehow nakulangan or what? Or may gusto ka bang, ay sana ito yung atake nila doon?
May plot twist kasi dito. And for me, I want a backstory for that one. So parang,
Somehow nakulangan.
yes. Pero, gets ko naman na plot twist yun. Dapat mabigla ka.
Gets.
But for me, just maybe a little, some clues or after the plot twist, a little bit more of
Back.
how it happened, why
How
it
it
happened.
started.
Yeah.
Paano yun? Yeah. Gets ko yung sinabi niya. I agree with you. Kasi parang lahat kami na-shock din. And, yun pala yun. Di ba? So, panoorin nyo. And I think, magigess nyo rin yung sinabi namin. It's not dahil hindi siya, di ba? Parang, yun lang, yung word. Parang nakulang.
Yeah.
Backstory about that certain scene. Or, yeah. So, overall, oh my goodness, congratulations. Palakpak talaga, 10 points to the highest level. Yung eksena and all. Overall guys, you have to watch this film dahil meron kayong aabangan dito na oh my God, atake talaga sila.
Yes.
Ayoko
Kikiligin
mag-spoil.
kayo.
Ayun, kikiligin kayo, maiiyak kayo, intense, eksena, lahat. Talagang sasabihin natin pang wakas talaga. Pero I think we can't say na pang wakas because pero yung mga eksena na dito talagang to the highest level.
Yes.
Panoorin niyo yung sinasabi namin.
Count kayo. Basta may 3 scenes dyan na grabe kayo. Kikiligin kayo. 3.
Ayun, di ba? So, watch tayo sa wakas. It's showing na ngayon, guys, in cinemas nationwide. Oh my goodness. I think, papatok to sa kilya, I guess. So,
Of course.
it's really,
Watch it,
perfect.
guys.
Congratulations, Don Bell. Galing.